Hello viewer, it's a shape here. We have taken that shape. Let's change the color again to use it. Then I will pick up another color with a different design. Keep on changing the shapes. Still we have to make that design here. I will create another shape. Again add a paint using the shapes here. Taking that designs, use an eraser tool.